y'all.
That nigga say don't even know what the fuck is, bro. This man finna be so mad, y'all. She got this man whole location. Pretty much, you know what I'm saying? Jay got this man location, and she about to we about to see where he at. What the fuck? There's a Roof Chris over here.
If you don't get your home to
I'm gonna go to Roof Chris. Shit. Where's the he at right now?
It says, I'm still trying to find it. Y'all, we're having some difficulties here. Give me a second.
She don't even know how to work that bit.
I don't really know how to work it.
Where your boy at, man?
They at the Grand Hyatt Atlanta Buckhead.
That's where we at.
I know.
Oh, they here? Oh shit, come on, we gotta get him up.
Alright, come on. Wait.
Say whoa! No!
Really?
Whoa!
Bro, really? Both was calling you a hoe. What you was saying?
What are you doing? DJ! DJ, we not even like that, bro. We not even like that, What the fuck? Chill. It's okay, bro. It's okay, bro. It's okay, bro. Chill. Come on, bro. Chill. It's okay, bro.
What you mean, dog? Chill with me, bro. I don't give a fuck. What that shit?
I came out of you.
Chill.
Bro, you are. I don't give a fuck. What you did? You okay? Fuck going on, bro. What you talking about?
You fucked up. That's fucked up.
I didn't do shit.
Chill. Man, fuck that shit, bro.
I don't give a fuck. That shit is lying. That shit is lying, bro.
You need to be mad at her.
No, I ain't dealing with that shit lame, bro. Why are you mad at me? Nigga, you know I talked to her. What you mean, nigga? You told me, bro. What did you tell me, bro? You know I talked to her, bro. What did you tell me, bro?
That's fucked up.
I don't give a fuck what I told you, bro.
That's fucked up, DJ.
Really? Really, Jay?
That's fucked up.
You okay?
You fucked up, bro. Jay, come on.
How am I fucking
That's fucked up. That's fucked up.
No, I did not.
Bro, I don't give a fuck, bro. That shit lame as hell. You know how that shit goes.
No.
I don't care.
Y'all niggas brothers, bro. What the fuck, bro? That shit crazy, bro.
Bro, that shit lame, bro.
That shit crazy,
bro.
bro.
You know what the fuck was going on,
That
dog?
shit crazy, bro.
I'm tired of this bitch.
You doing that shit? That's crazy. Chill. It's over, bro. It's over,
But
bro.
that shit lame too,
It's
bro.
over.
You know, come on.
Bro, I had a feeling though. I knew it, bro.
Okay.
Oh God, I knew it, bro. I knew it, bro.
I'm
Oh
saying,
God.
them niggas did tell me about this shit. I ain't even gonna listen.
It's all good, bro. You see with your own eyes, bro. You see it, bro.
I'm saying,
It's alright, bro. Chill, bro. That's fucked up. Chill, bro. Chill, bro. Chill, bro.
you need to be trying to fight the girl.
That's fucked up, both of y'all.
Hey, come get them away from each other.
Fight your girl.
Why he got fight?
If you want, what's up?
I gotta fight. You wanna fight so bad, nigga. What's up with it?
Chill,
You wanna fight so bad, nigga. What's
bro,
good with
chill, it's
it?
not that serious, bro. It's not that serious.
No.
It's not that serious, bro.
What's wrong with you?
Y'all got me out of Oh shit! Whoa! Chill!
I'm letting this bitch off right now.
Chill!
Stop fucking playing with me.
Chill!
I'm letting this bitch loose. I swear to God.
Say!
Stop playing with me.
Chill!
Stop fucking playing with me.
Chill.
Bro. You serious?
Chill,
I'm letting
say.
this bitch loose. I swear to God.
Say!
Stop playing with me.
Chill!
My nigga, you need to
Hey,
stop.
dog, relax,
Hey,
my
it's
nigga,
a
relax.
prank.
My nigga, it's a goddamn prank. It's a prank, my nigga.
It's a
Damn, nigga,
prank.
for the style. Damn.
It's a prank, bro.
I don't give a fuck.
Fuck this nigga, put the nigga, the fuck wrong with you?
Chill. It's
I don't
okay.
give a fuck.
Nigga, it's a
It's a prank.
prank.
Look, they say it's a prank, bro. Chill.
I'm still
Nigga.
Chill, bro. They say it's a prank.
Bro, it's a prank, say. This
Let me see
nigga
if
mad
we
as
can-
shit, bro.
still heated, bro. Get the
What the
camera.
fuck is wrong with you?
Move,
They
bro,
got
move.
your ass good as shit.
Sorry, bro. It's just a
Over
prank.
with, nigga. You got your ass, bro.
But
It's
what?
over,
Put the
you got
camera
your
out my
ass
face,
pranked,
bro.
my nigga. This shit, man. Oh, God.
Me.
Hey, bro.
Bro, chill.
Oh my God, stop.
Chill,
Bro, what you mean, nigga?
Chill.
Bro, hold up, one, it ain't even like that.
Chill, bro.
Hey, hold up, where my fuck?
Man, what were you doing?
Chill, bro.
Bro, hold up.
The fuck are you doing with that fucking thought? Nigga, you
Man, what
motherfucking.
were you doing?
Bro, listen to me, bro. Hold up, right there,
Bro,
hold up.
chill,
Hold
bro.
up. Hey, listen to me.
Chill,
Just
nigga.
happened out of nowhere.
Damn.
Bro, listen to me, bro.
The bro.
See your ex for a reason, bro. See your ex.
No.
Bro,
Nigga,
chill,
see
bro.
your. Nigga, that's your whole ex, bro. What you tripping for, bro?
Chill.
But I'm saying though, bro, you tripping, bro. Like that's your ex, bro. I don't even get why you getting mad.
But you in the bed with her.
Beat your ass,
So-
nigga.
What's the problem? What?
Damn.
Come on, come
I mean, we weren't even doing nothing anyway, though.
Chill.
Bro, you just seen the wrong thing, bro.
Come on.
Oh,
It
hold
wasn't
on.
even like that.
This nigga
You
taking
stay
off
away
shirt,
from
bro.
him.
Hold
Stay
up.
away from him.
I'm just saying, bro, you tripping for no
Bro,
reason,
chill.
bro.
Bro, chill.
I'm just saying though, my nigga. Bro, break this. Hold
Bro,
up.
chill, bro.
This nigga not
Chill.
gonna touch me.
Bro, what's up, nigga?
Bro, I'm just saying, bro, you tripped, bro. That is your ex. That is not your girl, bro.
Bro, get the fuck off of me, nigga.
Bro, what? Nigga,
RG, you just need to chill out.
bro, get the.
Stop.
Bro, somebody get this nigga, dog.
Stop.
Bro, this nigga tripping,
Calm
bro.
down. Stop.
Bro, somebody get this nigga, dog.
Stop.
Bro, this nigga tripping,
Calm
bro.
down. DJ.
Bro, this is
Bro,
your
I'm-
ex. Bro, this is your ex, bro. I don't get why you get mad, bro.
Lexus, we need to go. Okay.
I'm saying, bro.
Bro, what was you doing? What was you doing?
DJ, get him.
What was you doing?
DJ, I can't hold him.
Why?
But listen to, I'm just saying though, brother. It wasn't even on no
listen
tip
to
like
him,
that. And
listen to him
two,
Bro,
he shouldn't even be mad. It is his ex. His ex. Not his girl. Not his
But
babe.
y'all was finna
Bro, I
fuck.
don't care about that.
Y'all was finna fuck though. Like, do you not get that?
No, we would. What you mean? No,
Bro, he was
You
fucking.
you. Okay, I'm not gonna.
I mean,
Alright, bro, I don't even care no more. I don't even
Go
care
to the
no more.
bro, what's
car.
up?
what you mean? You don't care, nigga? You was finna hold for real.
Bro, I
scrap
don't
with
care
me,
no
nigga?
more, bro. I
You
don't
finna
care.
hold for real scrap with me, boy.
I don't even care. We cool.
What you mean you cool?
We're cool.
Hell
No,
nah,
we're
shit.
cool.
But nah, hell no, bro. Hold up, bro. That shit up.
Nigga, what the fucking my
DJ, drop.
Bro, chill.
Bro, somebody get this nigga, bro.
Nigga,
Y'all not.
Bro,
kill you, nigga.
bro, BJ, get this nigga, dog.
Hell no, bro.
Bro, this nigga
That
tripping,
nigga
bro.
doing way too much.
Bro, he doing too much, bro. His ex, dog. Like, come on now, bro. Bro, chill out,
Bro, I'm
bro.
on this thing. You a bitch, bro. I ain't finna fight over no fucking hoe.
Who a hoe?
Oh.
Oh.
Fuck you.
Fuck who?
Bro, you.
Ain't nobody have sex with him.
I want saying, bro, we ain't even do nothing, bro. You mad for no reason, like. Bro, bro, what is your problem? Bro, what is your problem?
Oh my god. Oh my god.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh my god. Hey, this shit a whole prank. This shit a whole. My nigga.
We gotta go.
Bro, this a whole. My nigga. Look at his hand.
Right.
Bro, this nigga broke the.
Oh my
Damn.
yo.
Nigga, off for your ex, nigga. This is for your ex. This is your ex. Hold, let me clean the camera. Bro, let me clean it. Nigga, this is.
No, we gotta get him to the hospital or something.
Bro, this is your. Damn, this nigga. What the.
Let me see.
Bro, this nigga tripping, bro. What you think? I'm finna scare the fuck out of this nigga. I don't know who the fuck this nigga is, bro. What if it's a
What y'all
subscriber?
finna buzz?
What if it's a subscriber or some shit, bro? And they just noticed me.
Probably, bro. I think it's probably what it is.
But it, bro, it's
They, but I don't know.
They can back up.
look, bro. Hold on, bro. I'm finna get right with his ass. Hold on. Look, babe. Pop that bitch. Pop that bitch out the window.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Pop that bitch out the window.
Right here?
What the fuck?
Fuck, nigga. Bitch ass nigga.
Damn, did we lose their ass?
Shit, they ain't leaving on.
Oh, I'm
God,
saying, like, what the
we
hell?
good now, shit.
But I don't even know where the fuck I'm at. I got
You gotta
search up China Cafe 7.
Oh God, nigga, I'm hungry as fuck still. She busted strap. Damn, we lost their ass though. We should be good.
Yo! They wanna play.
They playing. Oh! Oh my God! He can't even concentrate. You about to get hit by a car. Oh my God!
Y'all
What?
yelling at their car.
What'd he say?
What, nigga?
Oh.
They talking shit. Go. Pass the strap, bro.
But
Oh,
pass the strap.
Go out my window.
Whoa. Wait. Hey, whoa. Whoa, what the f? Shit. I chill. Alright, chill. Stop. Chill. Stop. That's my car. Chill. Stop the car. Bro, that's me. Stop, bro. Stop. Chill.
Fuck, nigga.
Bro, that's my car. Scoot up. Go. Bro, chill. Stop. Park somewhere. Bro, chill. That's my, bro, chill. That's my car. That's my car. Nigga, I drive in that's my car.
I was at your car, nigga. Right here.
Bro, no. Go right here.
A few moments later.
Bro, it's safe driving my shit, bro. Bro, it's safe driving my car, bro. It's safe driving my car, bro. It's safe, bro. Look. Niggas was beeping at you because of this right here, bro.
What the fuck? When did this?
Yo, play some way.
What the fuck? This. He's almost shot your ass, bro. What the fuck? Everybody was in on it too, bro. She out busting us
3 times, bro.
Bro, I thought he was shooting at y'all, bro.
My heart.
You the Zed, man.
I ain't gonna fuck with that. You said I ain't gonna do shit?
Okay.
So it's good. So it's good then,
I
nigga.
don't want to know why this pressure.
That's what I'm saying. I know bro, picture when you a weird ass nigga, bro. Cause you weird, bro. I don't bitch. What's good then?
What? You keep saying what's
Nigga, y'all gonna help me?
I'm right
Y'all be careful with your face.
Oh, these niggas bumping. Alright, What's up, bro? I'm about to put the whole Airbnb. I'm a big time nigga. What's good? Bro. So come in. If you gonna knock me out, you gonna knock me out.
Big ass nigga.
Let go.
Let me go, bro. Let me go.
I bet.
Bring that shit, nigga.
Knock me out,
Bring that shit.
man.
Get him, man.
Chill, bro. Man, it's a prank, nigga. Chill, nigga. What the fuck? Hold on. Yo. What the fuck, bro? Why you tripping?
I come in, you talking crazy.
Chill. Yo, chill.
What's up, bro? Nigga say you.
You mad, bro?